Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today we're going to have loads of fun. I am going to be using a vodka product, and granted, I'm not a huge fan of vodka, but this particular cocktail is very good. We're also going to incorporate a spicy kick to the drink, which is going to be fantastic. But before we get started, do me a favor, please. Hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, reach right over and hit that notification bell, and that way you won't miss a single episode of the show. Also, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the cocktail, or if you have any suggestions for future shows. Let's not take any more time. Let's get right into this thing. This particular cocktail today is called the Fallons Revenge. I'm going to start out with a ½ ounce of Agave Nectar. This will be the sweetener that's in the cocktail. ½ ounce of this Agave Nectar. Follow that up with 3/4 ounces freshly squeezed lime juice. Now for the spirits of the drink, I have Elderflower Liquor. Today I'm using Saint Germain. I'm going to pour in 3/4 ounces as well of the Saint Germain. Alright, now for the vodka, the main spirit of the cocktail, I'm actually using a Pear Vodka, Absolute Pears. So use the Pear Vodka of your choice, but you want to pour in 2 full ounces Pear Vodka. Now, before we get the ice and give it a shake, I'm going to add 1 coin, 1 slice of jalapeno right into the tin. And we're going to shake that right in with the cocktail. Let's get some ice. Give it a shake. That ought to do it. I have a double rocks glass here filled with ice, ready to go. We absolutely want to give this a double strain because you do not want any of those jalapeno seeds in your cocktail. That'll be good. Now, for a garnish, I'm going to lay 1 slice of jalapeno right on top, and then right on the side I'm going to squeeze in a wedge of lime. We'll get our straw in there and looks like, let me fix that up just a touch. There we go. That right there is the Fallons Revenge. That's very, very good. You get a lot of the sweetness in the cocktail coming from your Elderflower Liquor. You get that pear flavor coming from the Absolute Pear Vodka. The pear flavor really, really shines through in this cocktail. And it's funny because when you take a sip of it, and all of a sudden, a few seconds later, it gets on your palate, and then you get that little bit of a spicy kick at the end. It's a lot of fun. It's an excellent cocktail, and I really, really, really challenge you to make that at home. I think you'll like it. Thank you so much for watching today. All of us here at SLB certainly appreciate it. Thank you for your support. You can find us on Facebook at SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. You can also catch us on Instagram at SLB Drinks. Whatever you do, though, we please ask you to please drink responsibly. See ya.